Hello YouTube. Today I mentioned in one of my videos that that I had a broken bolt. I think it was on a caliper or a caliper bracket on my car, and there was no way of getting this thing out, and thankfully I had one of these kits here. They're bolt extractors, and I've had them for a while. This is the second set actually, and I've had it for 3 years, but I've had a set before these, but they weren't as good quality, and I don't know if you can see that, but see, they're fluted, you know. So that when you turn it to normally, you would be loosening the bolt. You go the same way, but because this is fluted on an angle, left-handed, I think, it kind of pulls itself into the bolt, so it kind of gets tighter. The more pressure you put on it, the tighter it gets, and the better it grabs. However, to use it properly, you'll need, say, say 9/16. Well, you might have to get the one that it has to fit tightly. So if your bolt is rounded off really bad and rusted, and you might have to go to the next one down, right? But you got to get it as tight as you can. And then you hammer it. You make sure it's on nice and tight. And this one here, you can use a crescent wrench or whatever, or you can use a socket. This is a 3/8 one. I do have the adapter to go to a 1/2 inch. So, but just a quick product review. If you work on your car and you have found yourself with stripped bolts and stuff like that, these will make your day 10 times better, because I've used them quite a bit, and I haven't come across anything it couldn't get out. Still use your penetrating oil, the same idea, but these will not let you down, and if they do, it's not going to be very often, I don't think, so it's well worth the money. I think I paid $30 for this, and it have saved my behind many times. So since I'm here, so might as well go along with it. Is a set of these screw extractors. Now this one, it works, and it really have gotten me out of some pretty good jams, but there is better quality. I don't even know, but you get a better quality one. Even a DeWalt or something like that. But however, these work, and I haven't had to buy, feel like I had to buy something better, or so you got the bolt extractors and the screw extractors. Anybody that does any work on their car, or anything mechanical, that fair size bolts, you have to have one of these, and they're cheap. You can get them online for cheap. Start out real cheap if you want, and at least you have something, right? But yeah, please subscribe, and thank you so much.